Hello guys, this is Siva here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys another powerful boom and crash strategy. This is a very simple but profitable strategy that you can use to grow your small account on boom and crash. Okay, so before I start explaining how the strategy work, I want to quickly share with you guys the indicator setup. Then after that, I'll be explaining how the strategy works. Okay, so you first of all click on this F icon here. So the first thing you have to do here is to click on this F icon. After clicking on that, you search for your MACD. Search for your MACD. Now after clicking on the MACD, you are going to see these properties. Alright, the fast EMA is 12, slow EMA is 26, MACD SMA is 9, apply to is close, right? The level, you leave it as it is, time frame is all time frame. Now under the style, the main is the color of your background, right? The signal is 3. After that, you click on done. Right, so once you add the MACD, you are going to have this blue line. Right, now the next indicator we have is the moving average. Right, so if you add the MACD, you are going to see this indicator window one here being formed. So you click on the indicator window one plus icon to search for your moving average. Right, now these are the properties for the moving average. The period is 1, shift is 0, method is exponential, apply to its first indicators data. The level, we leave it as it is, time frame is all time frame. The style is color red, 1 pixel, you click on done. Right, now after adding the moving average, the next indicator we have here is the relative strength index. Right, you click on the indicator in the 1 plus icon again, you search for your relative strength index. These are the properties. Period is 1, apply to is close. The level, you make it 85 and 15, color red, 4 pixel, you click on done. The time frame is all time frame. Now the color, you make it the color of your background too. Right, make it color white, 1 pixel, you click on done. All right, so once you have set everything correctly as I've just explained, you are going to have a screen like this one here. All right, you're going to have a screen like this. Let me take some trade while I explain this. Okay, so now before I explain how the strategy works, I want to quickly remind you guys about the powerful boom and crash strategy for growing as little as a $5 account. Okay, so if you're a beginner and you have been blowing your account, all right, you need to come for this powerful strategy I'm talking about. It's a powerful strategy that you can use to grow your small account. Okay, even if you are just starting out, the strategy is very simple that even a beginner can understand and use it. Okay, so if you're interested, you check the description of this video. You are going to see my WhatsApp contact there. Make sure you message me and we'll discuss on how you get the strategy. Okay, so that is that about that. All right, now back to this strategy here. Now this is how the strategy works. Okay, after setting it up, before you take any trade, make sure you are in a downtrend. All right, and this is how you have to do your analysis. You go to the 1 hour time frame. Now here on the 1 hour time frame, you can see that I've already done my analysis. All right, now this is what I did. All right, so you can see that I used the trend line to identify the trend, showing that we are in a downtrend. Right, now after you identify the trend, all right, after you identify the trend, you go down to the 5 minutes time frame. Now here on the 5 minute time frame, this is one more confirmation you need to get. All right, you need to make sure that this red line here is at the overbought level. All right, showing you that price is at a very strong resistance zone here. All right, there's a resistance here, and this indicator is showing that to you. Okay, so once you see something like this, you know that no matter what, there's going to be a pullback, right? So now you want to take advantage of that pullback. All right, so you go down to make sure you confirm that this is at the overbought level. Okay, before you take any trade on the 1 minute time frame. Now the 1 minute time frame, this is what will give you the confirmation. You want to see that this red line here is below the blue line. And so once this red line is below the blue line, you have to go in for 5 candles. Right, you go in for 5 candles. So as you can see, I have 2 candles now, remaining 3 to go. Right, so once I take the 5 candles, I'm out of the market. All right, so that is how simple the strategy is. Okay, so this is what I want you guys to do. Make sure you set up the strategy, you practice with it first. Okay, you either practice or you back test it 100 times, all right, to confirm the winning rate by yourself, or you can demo trade it for like a week or two, all right, to see the performance. If you are good with it, then you can decide to like set up the strategy and start trading with it. But if you are not good with it, then you can look for other strategies. Okay, I have a lot of strategy here on my channels. Okay, so I just decided to share this quickly with you guys so that you can use it to make money also. Okay, so I think this is going to be the end of the video. I will just wait for my 5 candles and we are done. All right, so for those of you who have not yet joined my Telegram channel, the link is in the description of the video. Make sure to check it out. All right, I share free signals on daily, and also you can see my analysis. Okay, my daily analysis on my personal trades. Okay, so I'll be seeing you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Silver out.